Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you a beginner's combination. The 1, 1, and the 2 to the body. Let's first get into that perfect boxing stance. Feet about shoulder width apart, slight bend the knees, hips, hands at the ready, and eyes on your opponent. Let's first focus on the jabs. After throwing the first jab, you want to bring that left hand back, or the lead hand, halfway back, and snap it on your second jab. Right when that second jab is landed, you want to slight bend the knees, aim for the chest, right with the 2. Remember, when we're throwing every punch, we're taking a step forward, pushing off the lead foot on the jabs, and then pivoting on that 2. Don't forget to be responsible on defense and make sure you're keeping those hands up. And that, my friends, is how you throw the 1, 1, and 2 to the body. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and follow for more.